Now we're gonna remove the face mask with our CSM Konjac Sponge. This is a wonderful way to remove your face mask flawlessly. I'm just going to start in sweeping motions up, dipping in, and getting off the face mask. So you can see right away that it's taking off the face mask, but it's also gonna be removing any of the extra dead skin cells that are still stuck on the skin. You can use either side of the konjac. I sometimes like this bottom side. I feel like it gets it off a little more. It's just a soft way to remove your face mask and not cut up the skin. We're already using an acid mask, so we really want to be gentle with the skin and not aggravate it too much. It just leaves the skin feeling so smooth and bright. I've always really loved these sponges of just completely cleaning the face. It's so wonderful when you're taking off your makeup, using this with your cleanser. You can just pump it right on, or you can remove it and then just use this to take all of the makeup off, and it will take everything off.